Hi, I'm here today to show you a little bit about our video workflow for newsroom and control room users. So what we're seeing here on the screen now is two dual channels showing 4 outputs, and they're all playing from a SAN. And this is the same SAN that acts as a central storage for the high-res media for our MAM system, Viz1, which means that you don't have to move any large video files over your network at any point in your workflow. And I'll show you how to work with these files in practice. We'll start in our newsroom system. In this case, iNews, we can work with any other newsroom system that supports the standard ActiveX format. Many users will already be familiar with our well-known Viz Pilot plugin, which lets you search and add graphics to your stories. You can also get access to all your media files, clips and still images from within the same interface. In this case, we'll search up a clip from our Viz1 system. We can preview a proxy of this clip directly inside the newsroom system. And we can add it to a rundown just by a drag and drop. I'll save it and go back to the control room context, where it's immediately available for the operator to have a look at. And the operator can also preview it, scrub it, and so on. And if we now clear our engines, we can play out this clip directly on air. And that's how quickly you can get a clip from your media asset management system through your newsroom on air. It takes seconds. What you can also do with this clip is add graphics on top of that, which means you don't have to have one video operator controlling your clips and another graphics operator sitting live and timing the graphics in lower thirds and so on top of that. This can also all be done by the journalist in the newsroom. So let's add a simple lower third. You can preview the graphics as normal inside the system. It's exactly the same way you'd work with standalone graphics. You save it. It's overlaid on top of the video. You can easily decide the duration. You can make simple cuts in here, like an in and an out point. You can decide whether the clip should be looping or not. And once you're done, you just apply that back to the newsroom system, save it, and it's immediately available here, and the operator can preview the contents. And this is a non-burnt in workflow, which means if the operator discovers a spelling mistake, we can easily correct that on the fly, apply it back, and it's right here. So it means it's a really fast and really efficient workflow. And you can put that on air. And here you see the graphics coming in. What you can also do with this in a more multi-studio or video wall context is to prepare your content for simultaneous playout on multiple screens or on a large video wall with several quadrants. Let's clear to have something to, a clean slate to work from. Now I'm going to prepare the same clip I started with here. You can see it in the preview here. These are the things that are going to be prepared. Let's add some more for the different engines. Let's take this one and another one. Now I've prepared 4 different clips. Or maybe we don't want the clip for the last one. Maybe we want the full screen graphic. So let's switch that with a full screen graphic. Now, to play out these on air, I just have to press a single button and everything goes straight on air. And that is how easily you can work with graphics and media in the same workflow, using the same tools, with the same people that you do for your everyday newsroom workflow.